So one thing I miss like crazy when we're traveling all the time is being able to order things on Amazon. We haven't been in one place long enough to really be able to have anything shipped to us. But today I discovered I can set my shipping address to an Amazon hub locker. So I just did my first Amazon order since we hit the road 3 weeks ago, and we'll see how that turns out. Right now I'm driving into the city to run some errands. The first thing is a chiropractor appointment, believe it or not. And another thing I want to do is get a car wash. When we were camped near the Great Salt Flats, Nat drove the minivan down to the speedway, and there's just salt everywhere, inside and out. And salt is really bad for vehicles. And I'm also going to do laundry because our laundry bin is extremely full and we're running out of clothes and towels and everything. So I'll go find a coin laundry, and I'm also hoping that I get an email about my Amazon packages being delivered before I go back to our RV so I don't have to drive into town again.
In half a mile, take exit 11.
Just finished at the chiropractor and wasn't too bad actually. We'll see how I feel tomorrow. That's usually when I can tell whether it helped or not. But now, on to the laundromat. Just have one big bin of laundry that I use for everything. Kids' clothes, grown-up clothes, towels, the whole shebang. And there she goes. Great, now I will go shopping for about 45 minutes and come back. At the car wash. Talking about the car wash, yeah. Come on, baby, sing it with me. This laundromat is actually super fancy because you can actually pay by card here. You can wash or dry. I'm gonna dry. And then you can choose a dryer. It's super cool. Which dryer do I want? 51. 51. And then $3. You can also get change, bill breakers, etc. It's very fun. So I got an email last night telling me that my Amazon packages have arrived, and it gives me 3 days to pick it up from the time of delivery. So here is the pickup place for me, Alpine Storage. So we'll see if I can find my locker. Oh, and I see it. There's the Amazon hub. Cool. Order at Amazon, pick up here, and it's just outside here. And I can scan my barcode somewhere. Oh, there's where I scan my barcode. So I got my app here. Can I do it? Oh, I did it. Your locker is open. And there it is. Whoa, so cool. I got an Amazon package. Out in the middle of nowhere. Well, not the middle of nowhere, but definitely not any place that I live. And I'm good to go. I can order stuff on Amazon now. This is so exciting. So I opened up my package and there was an item missing. It wasn't all in the same package. So I ran back to the locker to try to use my code again, and it was no longer good. Thankfully, it was just the bug spray, and I can get bug spray anywhere. But if it had been one of my specialty items I ordered, I would have been out of luck. So lesson learned, make sure you have everything out of the locker before you close it, because you won't be able to get back in. So whoever gets that locker next gets some free bug spray, so good for them.